because they're in Vibram. We say so many words. Shukamuni is saying the gopis are Vibram, and then they're Pramad and Unmad, Vibram, Pramad. All the words he's using to describe the gopis, none of them indicate that they're sane, and none of them indicate that they're in a balanced, proper mental functioning. They're all mad, excessively mad, completely, absolutely mad. So when you're mad, you can see anything. You can see anything and everything and speak anything and everything. So the gopis are seeing fingerprints that aren't there, and they're speaking to trees that don't speak. And they're hearing the master also. Did you hear that? And they're doing a psychoanalysis on the different entities. Oh, this tree is puffed up. Tree is puffed up. Tree is proud, Damba, Darpa. This is a quality of a human being, not a tree. I mean, Lord Chaitanya, he thought the trees were quite opposite of pride. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used the tree to cite the tree as tree, the generic, the whole family of trees or whatever. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified them as the role model, as the role models for the quality we all require so dearly, or we all especially require. Trinadapi sunichena teror iva suishna amanina manidena kirtaniyasa. Oh, the trees are so humble. They bend down their branches and they don't complain when we cut their branches and all these things. So Lord Chaitanya is saying the trees are very, very humble, and we should be humble like the trees. But the gopis are saying, no, these trees are proud. So, and you are proud like the trees. So don't be proud. Be humble like the trees. So for Lord Chaitanya and all of us, the trees are humble. They're the role model of humility. But for the gopis, they're puffed up, they're proud. They won't speak, they won't answer that. And it's because they're male. Tamal Baba and Neem Baba and Banyan Baba and Pleksha Baba. It's very, very nice. Jiva Goswami Padi knows this.